Hey everyone, my name is Riley, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create an event website. Whether you just need your website to show the location and activities going on at your event, or if you need to actually sell tickets to your event through your website, this video will show you exactly how to do that. Now, the first thing that we need to do is choose the website builder that we will be building this website on. The best one by far is Hostinger, and this is for the ease of use and affordability. I will leave my affiliate link to Hostinger in the description of this video, and if you sign up using that link, you will be able to get 75% off your hosting. So once you click on that link and you are on this page, we just click on Claim Deal right here. And then in this area, we can now choose between the premium website builder or the business. Essentially, the only difference between this is if you want to access the AI tools. So this is like an AI image generator, an AI writer, things like this. And if you need e-commerce. So what I would say is if you don't need to sell tickets for your event on your website, go with the premium plan right here. If you do need to sell tickets, then go with the e-commerce plan. So all we need to do is click on choose plan right here. And in this area, we can now choose the period that we would like to sign up for. So we can go for any of these. The only one that I wouldn't recommend is the monthly. And this is just because the price jumps up massively. This is going to be $14 per month plus a $5 setup fee. So we would be paying $20 today, right, for one single month. Whereas if we go to the yearly plan, this price goes to $3.99 per month for the first year, and we don't have that setup fee. So we can pay either, $20 for 1 month, or we can pay $50 for an entire year. If you do plan on having your website for the long term, the longer plans are going to give you a better deal. As with this one, you get the $3.99 pricing for the full 4 years. So we can select one of those plans and then click on continue. Go ahead and fill in our billing information right here. And then we can go down and enter in the payment method. And once you have bought your hosting, Hostinger is then going to ask us a few questions. Now, for this first question, this doesn't really matter, so we can just go ahead and skip this. Then it is going to ask if we want to create or migrate a website. So we will click on I'll create a website. And it's then going to ask if we are going to build the website with Hostinger or WordPress. So we want to make sure we select Hostinger right here. And then on this next screen, we can choose the domain name that we would like to use with this hosting. So in here, we just enter in the domain name that we would like to get. And then the final thing that we have to do is just enter in some contact information. Once all of that is entered and we have fully signed up to Hostinger, it's then going to take us over to this screen. So from these options, we want to click on the AI website builder. And now all we have to do is enter in some information, and you will be surprised at how good this template is. It is absolutely phenomenal. And all we have to do is go in and add a bit of customization. So for the website type, as we don't have event listed right here, this doesn't matter. We just click on other. We can then enter in our brand name. So I'm going to create a dog show website. So I will say GeForce Dog Show. And then in here, we can add a short description. Now, this does not have to be anything crazy. All I'm going to say in here is, we are a dog show based in London where people can come to watch dog racing and tricks. Very simple description right here. And then we can go ahead and create the website with AI. Just like that, the template has now loaded in, and we can see that this is the current template that we have. So because I mentioned that this was obviously a dog show and people can come to watch it, right at the bottom here, we have a map with some information. We have like a testimonials down here. But if for whatever reason you are looking at your website and maybe you don't have a map, but you want one, or you don't have a certain section, don't worry because we can edit this. So all we have to do to edit this, and sometimes you might have to click into the editor up here, but this is very easy to edit because this is drag and drop. So essentially the way the website works is we have all of these different sections. So this right here is the top section, second section, third section, and so on. And then inside of the section, this text, this button, these stars, these are all called elements. So with any of the elements, we can drag and drop them around to move them wherever we would like to on the website. Just like this. And to change the text, we just click in, and then we can type whatever we want. So I'm going to change at the top here to say GeForce Dog Show in London. just like that. We can then go down and we can click into this. We can change this text right here. And then for any elements aside from text, we just click in once and then we can click edit. And all of the changes are going to be made right here. So in these button settings, we can change the button text. We can change where this links to when somebody clicks on the button. So we can either send them off-site, we can choose a section to send them to. We can then go down and if we want to remove any elements, for example, these elements right here, we can just go in and delete. And then to add new elements, we go over to add element and we can add anything here. So maybe I want to add a video to this top section. I just drag this in and drop this where I want to on the website, and then we can replace this. To actually change the video in here, then once again, all I'm going to do is click, edit video, and then paste in the link to the video I would like to show. The final thing that you might want to do in each section is change the background image. So to do this, we just go up, we click into the section rather than an element. Then we click edit section. And in here, we can go ahead and replace the image. We could set this to just a specific color. We could set this to a video. You get the idea. We can then go down to this next section, click in and edit the text. Click here and edit the image, replace the image with whatever we would like. Add in new elements. You get the idea, right? Now for sections, like let's imagine that this section didn't exist, right? And I want to show a map for where people should go. All I have to do is choose where I want to add the section. So if I click add section, it's going to add it right here between this section and this section. So we can add section, and then I want to add a map. So we just select this, and let's go for this one right here. Now that has been added in. And then all I do is go in and say, where are we? We can edit the rest of this, click into the map right here, and click on edit. And then maybe we can say we are in the Shard, London. Just like that. Perfect. Then maybe we also want to change the color of this. So we can click in, change the color, you get the idea. So that is how we can edit the homepage right there. However, we have some other pages. You might want to delete pages. You might want to add new pages in. How do we do this? Well, we can view the pages at the top and edit these just by clicking in. So we have an events page right here that we can click in, and we can edit this in the exact same way as we edited the homepage. And we can do this for all of the other ones along here. Now to add and delete pages, for example, maybe I don't want a gallery. Well, we can go over to pages and navigation on this left-hand side. Go to the page that we would like to delete, and then we can go down and delete this. I can also add a new page by clicking on add page. And then let's say we want to add an about page. Well, we can select this and we can choose from one of these templates. And then once again, we go in and edit this, add different sections, delete these sections, and make it look how you want it to look. If you would like to sell tickets on your website, then all we have to do to actually sell these tickets is go to online store on this left-hand side, click into this, and then click add store. Then it's going to add a store page right here, and it's going to fill this with a bunch of default products. So to change these, we just go back to online store, and right here we can see store settings and products. So we first of all want to go into store settings, and we can set all of this up. So in here, we would just go through, we can select the currency. So let's say we want to go for USD. We select that, and then we can click on save. And then we can go back out, go into products right here, and we can click in and edit this product. So we might want to change this, and we might want to say this is a day ticket instead. Then we can delete this and add in our image. We can then go down, add a subtitle, add a description right here. So we could type this out. We can then go down and choose the price. So we can say that this is maybe $39 for the day. And once that is added in, we can click on save, and that product has now been created. So essentially, we just go in and do this for all of these. So we delete the current products that we have in, make sure that we only have the products that we are going to be selling. And then people will be able to come along here, add these to their bag. And then in here, if we just go to manage store, you can set up your payment information so that you can actually make sales and take payments through the Hostinger website builder. Once your entire website has been created and you have everything set up, all we need to do is click on Go Live in this top right corner, and now your website is going to be live. So that is how you can create an events website. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button, and until next time, take it easy.